This is the homework for lesson number 59 of the Raspberry Pi Pico W lessons. This is where we control a neopixel with the joystick. Now you come up here. This is all the usual stuff. I actually imported neopixel into our math functions, display functions, display setup. This was the joystick setup. Brightness for the displays. Time T1 is 200 milliseconds. Pix pin is 16. Pix size is 8. Okay, and then I set up the pix, the object of the neopixel, this pix. This defines it. Then down here I got a definition or a function of clear. So when I finish this, I can clear the thing out. Now, down here I got another function to set the RGB from the degrees. Go all the way down to here. Then I return to my color. Here we've got the information for the X joy. We read the X value and the Y value from the joystick and do a little math down here. Do a little magnitude, and I put this in just so that it wouldn't give me an error when dividing by 0. Now, down here, I went back to the old way because the oh, come on, the dash, what do you call it, the tangent 2 will only give me 0 to 180 and 0 to minus 180. So I didn't want to do that. So I went back to the other way and I set up the 4 quadrants. Then the magnitude, here's why it's set up. When it's sitting in the middle, it's set at 0. And I get the result, RGB, set RGB degree. Okay, down here I get the RGB functions, and red equals R, and the brightness times the R, and this is this displays the colors that the program's trying to fill. Here I'm just displaying the angle. Down here is the clear. Okay, now let's run this guy. Run it. Okay, right now it's saying the angle, it's in dead center, so it's not going to print anything. Now if I go to 45 degrees, it's like purplish something. Then if I go straight up, it's like blue. And then this way, I guess it's blue. And some of these other oddball colors. Then we go down here, and then we get red, green, blue, green, and what's the other one? Oh, there it is, green. Upper right. Okay, so anyway, you can see it's controlling the colors based on the position of the joystick. And that's my homework. Thanks a lot. Bye.